Okay ba ang plastar kung makuot ba?
So,
So,
sa tubig.
kani nga kuot no, abi na kulay nga kuot guys no, just ko. Na-tense ko kadyot no. So, makuot ra siya. Oo. Mas nindot maginang dali ra gid makuot ba no?
Pwede mo
Okay. Para dili magsakit imong buot ba? Aw kamot di ay. So okay na siya. Oo. Hi guys! Maayong adlaw na tong tanan diha, and yes, welcome back to another video. But before that, mulingkod sa ta, ayan. So yes, nagila-ila naman ta no, so sa mga wala pa kaila o sa mga bago pa sa akong Facebook page ug YouTube channel. Yes, my name is Burns. You know what? I'm so super excited for today because naana po'y madugang nga gamit sa akong balay, and I'm so super excited because I think and I also personally believe that every household should have this. So yes, ayaw kong biyae because I will take you to another journey and experience kung unsa ni siya. Mura yun usay naagid ba no? So I think they're here guys. Oh my god, hi! This is Mr. Ayan Lugod. Yeah, and they will be installing the Jiangsu water system. So, oh my god. You know what? As mentioned earlier, I think every household should have this. So, ato lang sa nang ipataod ang atong machine diri sa balay. So, yes guys, klaro na ba akong dagoy diri? Pasensya na, nag-boxers lang ko. Dapat gani, magpanty ko. Yeah, para makita nila akong panty. Bitaw guys, anyway, since we will be installing the machine here, kailangan ginakuli gabason yun. So, I'll do this today. Kaya na ko ni guys. You know what? Usay kulang sa kuha. Bana na gyud. Bana na lang ginang kulang sa kuha.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Kaya na?
Kaya.
Siya na lang guys, kay buros na ba ko 2 months. So yes. Asa ba? Si gani nonoy oy. Kada tato sa nipahumanon ang atong kuano, gabas. Ayan, currently amo nagi siyang nagabas ang area. So gibutang na dayon namo ang machine, and ayan here will demonstrate to us our safety protocols. Safety protocols good. So yeah, Ayan will tell us more sa atong gabuhaton dire. So yes, go ahead.
So the machine, this is the machine. It's called Jiangsu Alkaline Water.
Okay.
Siguro we have installed more than 600 already clients. A lot of which are doctors. But this is the process, no? It will go through 5 different stages or filters.
Okay.
The first filter is what we call the sediment. This will clean the undissolved particles such as large dust and rust from feed water, no?
Okay.
Of course, the pre-carbon filter, the post-carbon filter, the UF membrane, and of course, very important now, no, the alkaline filter.
Okay.
It will mataas ang pH sa imo water, no. So basically, this is it. Nonoy Edwin will install it for us.
Hi.
Yeah, this is the what we call a diverter. So siya i-host later, which we will see. Burns can already drink the alkaline water, no, fresh.
So ilang gitaod na guys. Laban lang tadiha guys, no. Live interview portion din siya from
Sige.
Honolulu, Hawaii. Charot lang. Okay, so who inspired you or what inspired you to do this kind of business?
Okay. Actually, with this purifier business, I've been into this business for almost 5 years.
Almost 5 years.
The first machine that we imported, I had a partner then, was another machine.
Okay.
But that machine was electric.
Okay.
So actually, I found a lot of troubles sa electric, no, since the IC and all those, no. So that's why nanita ko filter, nanita ko water purifier na non-electric.
Okay.
And very easy to maintain.
Okay.
And
So guys, ako lang klaroon guys ha, dili ni siya makadugang sa atong electricity bills. And this is very important.
yeah, so no electricity. That's very important.
Yeah.
So this machine actually is from Korea. As I've said earlier, no, 5 stages siya. Carbon filtering siya ang tawag, no, filtration. 5 different filters, no. This is very convenient now because with this pandemic that we are now encountering, everybody is now medyo praning, if I may call it, no?
Yeah.
Paranoid of what water we drink, no?
Isa na ko, ana.
Ako very particular, no? But with due respect to the water refilling stations, at least here, you'll have your own water refilling station.
Pak, laban.
Yeah.
This is so
Si
nice,
Burns
guys.
now will have his water refilling station, no? For his own consumption.
Yes,
no?
yes.
And another one is, it's alkaline.
It's alkaline.
So, we all know that alkaline has a higher pH, no? A lot of doctors have been using our water purifier, no? Dagan sila, no? Can I mention their names?
Sure. Go ahead.
Ray Chu, Dr. Jaime Tan, Dr. Leo Netario, Dr. Marius Mercado, and so on.
So yes, there you have it, guys. Also, I will be putting their social media account and their contact numbers on how to get your own Jiangsu alkaline water system. You know what, guys? We're almost done. Ang nakanais pag-ani is the owner is here. So he's so hands-on with the business. And ganar po ko niya kay OC po di siya, guys.
Kayo.
So mahapnig yun niya ang ngayon natong mahapnig, no? So we're almost done.
Kompleto, white or black.
Yeah, yes.
Depende sa imo ano.
Gusto
man,
ko
di
white.
no?
Oh, yes. Oh my God. Pasalamat gid ko ay nila ba kay dinagid ko magkuha og kaning mga bottled water bitaw. Ako na mismo maghimo og bottled water for myself coming out from my faucet. So, pila na rin siya ka years gani ang Jiangsu sa imuha yan?
The Jiangsu, mga 2.5 years na.
2.5 years. So if I were you guys, it's a good investment.
No more plastic bottles, guys.
No more plastic bottles, yeah. Importante pag ganun, guys, is sure pagita sa atong filter. At least sa akong area pod, is sa akong house, kabalo pod ko nga, kailangan na ba siya ilisan og filter or dili. Ang filter yan is ko ang gyapon namo sa imo.
Yeah. We supply also the filters and we have a database para we can inform you na oil burns.
Oh, okay.
You need to change na your filters.
Oh.
Para di yun mo malimtan. Now, you might ask, kung saan na mo pag-monitor? We usually ask your present consumption burns.
Okay,
So,
present.
kung sa imo present consumption sa 5 water gallon. So, kung sa imo present consumption, muna, diyan na mo i-base.
Pag-change sa
Kano
filter.
sa i-change ang filter.
Pero I think for me, kung ako di mo
Dugay ka. Ikaw naman isa.
Ako naman isa, no? So,
So, mga 1 year and a half siguro.
1 year and a half.
Max na siya. 1
Oh.
year and a half. Yeah.
Pero kung makauyab ko pohon,
Duha na mo.
kung duha na gid sa balay, no? Ako
Kaya
gapon.
ba siya nagtago doon? Nagtago si Iko.
Actually, wala gid ko uyab.
Ang cabinet. Ang cabinet. Basta nasa sunod sa cabinet.
Walay tao diha. Walay tao diha. Okay na safe na diha.
Kasi gihita ko ni mo.
So yes. So kung pohon, kung magka-love life na ko, so muna ning panahon nga makulangan og lifespan ang atong filter. So,
Masay-sayo ka maka-change yung filter.
mas sayo-sayo ko maka-change og filter.
Before using the machine, we usually drain all the 5 filters.
Okay.
After ma-drain na tanan, si Burns now can already drink water from his machine.
Yes.
So, nana siya yung own water refilling station.
Oh, diba?
Sa iya balay.
Laban lang ta diha, Noy, no? Oo. So, Noy,
Noy,
question. Minyo na ba ka?
Minyo na.
Pila ka mo kasawa? Charot. Ito is char lang na, guys, ha? Kabulo na biyata, guys, nga kachar-charan biyata diri, no?
Isa lang.
Isa-isa lang, one at a time, ana lugar. So anyway, guys, you know what? Swerte gid kayo makabisita sa akong balay, no? Kay ako gid di ko basta-basta gid magpasulod sa balay gyud. Pero kung ani ka gwapo, nang dili gid pwede nga dili makasulod, no? So yeah.
A few moments later.
Tama, igo ko.
Okay.
tanaw daw sa imo, Burns.
Ang question ni Noy karon is unsa man ang imong pangutana karon, Brad?
Okay na ba?
Okay na ba ang plastar? Makot na rin sa kamot.
Okay ba ang plastar kung makuot ba?
So,
So-
sa imong tubig.
Kani nga kuot no, abi na kulay nga kuot, guys, no, just ko. Na-tense ko kadyot, no. So makuot ra siya. Oo. Mas nindot maginang dali ra gid makuot ba, no?
Yung pwede mo
Okay. Para dili magsakit imong buot ba? Kamot di ay. So okay na na siya. Oo, okay na na siya. Larga na. Para pod ako na po'y makakuot diha. Sa muka. Lava lang ta diha. Okay.
Drain na lang siya.
So drill na lang ta. Oh my God. Yeah, yes please. You know what to do. Do your thing.
First na siya.
Yeah, hi Yan. Oh my God, welcome to my humble home.
Yeah.
So, ayan guys, we're finally done. You might be wondering ano gaing ani ko because I'll be going to the gym in a while. Yes, we're done. We're finally done. Pero butangan pa na siya og case para matabunan gid siya.
Of course, yeah.
Kaya na pa siya final touch. So yes, I'm so excited guys nga mag-inom na kog tubig nga safe tapos alkaline pa gid siya in the convenience of my own home. Oh, diba? So, Ayan is installing the final touch of our Jiangsu alkaline water system. So yes, don't forget guys to like their Facebook page, their social media accounts. Yes, we're done. Oh my god. Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, good guys. Oh my god. Oh, diba? Mo inom ta, lisod po dili. Mo inom no. Lisod po ako ng tanawon.
Your glass?
Yeah, sure. How was it?
Yeah.
Lami ni siya. Lami daw siya. Oh, sama ka lami ni Ayan. Eh, gasi diyan naon sa siya oy. Ako daw bi mo try daw ko bi. Oo, ayan. So, minum tag tubig, no? So, yes. Atong tilawan ng iyang kung ano, iyang taste check. Za! Ilas kay ko ba? Itong i-off.
Like it?
Perfect!
Nalay gamay na ano, but ma-adjust lang na siya. Yeah.
Mo-adjust pag daw ni iyang taste daw, siguro mga pila ka days.
Mga 1 week siguro.
Mga 1 week pa siguro guys. At masabtan ra. Of course, kita tanan gaagi og adjustment period. Ano gina siya? Kita matanan dili man lang ang tubig lang ga-adjust. Kita po dapat mag-adjust, especially sa mga pandemya karon, no. So yes. So thank you so much Mr. Ayan
Thank
Lugod of
you.
Jiangsu Alkaline Water. Thank you so much. So guys, don't forget to like their Facebook page. Ibutan mo na ko ilang contact details para makakuha po mo para sa inyong balay. Bye!
God bless.
God bless.